trail in the sky in the Python. I said earlier, 10 pilots on the team. However, the Red Arrows is not just about the pilots. We have a squadron. The administrators, the mechanical transport drivers, the dive team, and they are all known as the Blues due to the colour of their flying coveralls. Inside those Blues are 10 individuals who are looking up to fly the backbone aircraft in between displays when we cannot take the full engineering complement, and they are known as Circus. One individual with me at every display is Circus 10, that's Corporal Phil Dye. He's